2017 JCB 3CX Backhoe. Four-wheel drive machine. It's got Extend-a-hoe on it. It's got the 4-in-1 split bucket in the front, and it's got auxiliary hydraulics in the back for the hammer. Machine just came in. Four-wheel drive's engaging nicely. It's two-wheel drive. Good straight little machine here. We're going to get it in the shop, get it serviced out, clean it up real good. Unit just came in. It's also got a tag quick coupler on it with a 24-inch bucket. Nice having the auxiliary hydraulic plumbing for a hammer as well. Nice little Backhoe JCB 2017 JCB 3CX, four-wheel drive, Extend-a-hoe, auxiliary hydraulics for a hammer, 4-in-1 split bucket. Got a tag, quick coupler on the back. Good little unit.